Hello friends, recently I came across a unique square pattern and I would like to share it with all of you. This is the pattern which you can see. I have made it in two colors and I have used a very thin yarn, but for tutorials I prefer a thick yarn because it's easy to understand. So let's get started. First we will make a slip knot and make 6 chains. So I've made the slip knot and now I will make the 6 chains. Now insert the hook through the first chain and pull the yarn to complete the ring. So our ring is made, and through this ring we will make 12 single crochets. So chain 1 and then through the ring we will make 12 single crochet. Two, and this is the third single crochet. Like this we have to make 12 single crochets through the ring. Now here I have made the 12 single crochet through the ring and I will join this to the first single crochet or the first chain that is visible. So I'll insert the hook and pull the yarn like this. So this completes our first round. Now we will make 4 chains. So chain 4, and then in the next chain I will make a treble. Again another treble in the next chain. For the treble we take the thread 2 times. Now again chain 4 and join it by inserting the hook in the next chain. So this makes the first petal, you can say. How we did it? We made 4 chains, or chain 4, then 2 treble and then chain 4 and join it to the ring. Like this we have to make 4 petals. So the next one again we will make 4 chains, 2 trebles and 4 chain. So here you can see I have made the 3 petals of the flower, and for the 4th one I will make 4 chains and 3 trebles. Instead of 2 treble I will make 3 trebles. So chain 4 and then I will make 3 trebles. So this is the second treble and now the third treble. Instead of chain 4 we are making a treble in the last petal, we can say. So this completes the second round, and this looks like a flower pattern. You can use it as a flower pattern in any of your projects. Now we'll start the next round or the third round. So here I will have to take this loop and knit through it. So first I'll make 4 chains, chain 4, and then 3 trebles through this loop. One, this is the second treble, and the third through the loop. We are going sideways now. Now we'll join this to the 4th chain. So here in the 4th chain we will join this by inserting the hook and pulling the yarn. So this is how the pattern looks. Now again chain 4 and 2 trebles. Here. Two trebles and then chain 4 and join it below. Now you must remember that out of the 4 corners, the 3 corners will be done in this way: chain 4, 2 treble, chain 4. But the 4th corner will have chain 4 and 3 trebles. So now again in the side loop we have to repeat as before: chain 4 and 3 trebles, and then join to the 4th chain. So in the side loop we make chain 4, then through the loop we will make 3 trebles, and join to the 4th chain by inserting the hook and pulling the yarn. So this is how the pattern looks till now. So I have completed the 3 corners. As I said, in the 3 corners we have to do chain 4, 2 treble, chain 4. But now in the 4th corner I will do chain 4 and 3 treble. So this is the 3rd treble. And the 3rd round is complete. So the pattern looks like this after the 3rd round. Now you can go on repeating these steps and increase the pattern as per your required size. So I will do another round and show it to you. So we will start sideways. First chain 4 and then 3 trebles through the side loop. and then join to the 4th chain in this way. So you can see the pattern is increasing, it's becoming bigger. Now in the next step again chain 4 and 3 trebles and then join to the 4th chain. Then you will come to the first corner where you have to make chain 4, 2 treble, chain 4. So this is the a step over here. So chain 4, 3 treble and then join to the 4th hook, 4th chain, sorry. So 3 trebles I've made and then join to the 4th chain. Now I've reached the first corner. So here we'll have to do chain 4, 2 treble and chain 4 and then join. So only in the corners, that is the 3 corners, we will do this step, that is chain 4, 2 treble, chain 4 and then join below. But in the steps we will do chain 4 and 3 trebles. And in the 4th corner again chain 4, 3 trebles. So these are the steps and this is the first corner. Again 2 steps, the second corner, and like this we have to complete the round. So I have finished the 3 corners and all the steps. Now the 4th corner is left where I will first join it to the 4th chain. Now in the 4th corner I have to make chain 4, 2 trebles, chain 4. Sorry, chain 4 and 3 trebles. 4th corner is different. It is chain 4 and 3 trebles. It's different from the other 3 corners. So chain 4 and 3 trebles. So this round is finished and the pattern looks like this. It comes out really beautifully, and you can try it with 2 colors or more colors as your imagination leads you to, and it really looks beautiful. You can try it with another color at this stage. As I said, I tried this pattern with 2 colors, and this is how my project looks like. I really enjoyed making this mat, table mat. You can use it as a coaster or a table mat, and if you can make a bigger one, then you can use it as a square blanket. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do share your feedback in the comments section. Thank you.